Welcome back to my channel. So I'm spending a week in this beautiful town of Lisbon. I want to take you around a week of an education. So these days are filled with some sightseeing here in Lisbon to explore the city. So we will go on a walking tour in a bit. I'm gonna meet two of my friends here. Thursday I'm super excited because we go to this product conference called Productize. So where a lot of product leaders and product managers gather to discuss the latest trends in product management. So I'm super excited. And then afterwards we are going to a product management retreat. We do some workshops, go surf. Let's go. So now I have to figure out where our Airbnb is. I see my friends.
Hello!
Hi, good to see you guys. Oh, I was already a bit in the vlogging mode. Okay, sorry. Dude, you're so good. So now doing a walking tour, and it's really gorgeous here in the old town of the city. Look at this. Now the group is waiting on me.
Tiles. New tiles everywhere. Three.
Yes, she.
Very sweet. That's very good.
Now we're here at this very nice viewpoint. Look at this view. So guys, what do you think about the walking tour?
So, some things you learn. Number one, Alfama, the name, Al comes because it has Arabic origins, and Alfama actually means the place of the bus.
Second, we are now on the
Second learning.
longest public open door escalator in the whole Europe.
This is the largest.
What's the third?
The third key insight for me, the Portuguese like to kick their royalties out of windows and then they die. Hello and welcome back to day 2 of the Portugal trip. And today I'm super excited. We go to this beautiful castle, de Pena or something it's called. And now we're a bit late. We need to rush towards the main entrance because we booked a slot. So I'm gonna keep you posted. So now we arrived at the castle. And did you know this is one of the 7 wonders of Portugal and also UNESCO World Heritage. Apparently there's a clock with 2 hands. So let's see what this is all about.
Maurice told you before, there is this particular thing about the clock of the Pena Castle tower, which is that it has, for the time, 2 hands. So at the time, apparently, according to Bard from Google, it was not common to have like 2 hands in the clock like we have right now.
Yeah.
But only one. But we can see here that you can see. Yes, technology, high-tech innovation.
Hello and welcome back to day 3, and today we're super excited to go to the product conference, Productize. We're gonna learn a lot about different product management methods, what are the latest trends, and just network with some very good people. But that was the product conference today. What was your opinion on it? Very honestly.
It was very good, very interesting talk. Melissa Perry is literally behind the camera.
Really? She's a big influencer.
So interesting talks, meeting interesting people, good food, but it's, as we said, kind of exhausting, a lot of talks after another.
I think it was 12 talks in total, which is crazy.
Exhausting but insightful. I got a lot of different slide design. If I'm to take 3 things, they should be with a good story. I think I only memorized the ones that actually had a story behind. Don't put more than 3 principles or 3 ideas in anything. 3 questions, that was the best thing. Therefore, there are 2 different presentations with 3 questions. Yeah. And then the third one was to make it simple.
Just to like double down, I completely agree with this. Especially like when you tell a story, it really kind of an emotional load, and then you remember it better because everybody pulls out frameworks and says, yeah, I did this and it was great. But if you tell a story, it really sticks.
The after party.
Yes. Welcome to day 4, and today I'm super excited because we arrived in Cascais. We're doing a product management retreat. So here we're gathering with 12 product managers that also went to the conference, and we talk about more high-level topics about career development and how to set a strong vision for your career. But it's not only that, it's a retreat. Tomorrow we're gonna go surf, and we're also having a lot of fun. Let me take you around. Welcome to the next day of the retreat. Today we kicked it off with a surf session in Cascais, and it was amazing. It was super fun to be back on the ocean. Also yesterday was really fun. We all met up in Lisbon and came together here to Cascais, to this beautiful hotel. Did off with an introduction round, with a small icebreaker. We told a bit about our personal selves, and then we had a big discussion about product culture. So what really stuck out for me, especially to instill product thinking when the leadership team has not yet worked in product, it has experience, it really takes time. It all stems from the vision, and then when you have a vision, you can pull the culture towards it. That's so tasty. Hey guys, so welcome to the last day. Right now I'm at the airport, and I just wanted to reflect a bit on the last 3 days. So one key insight I took away was around clarity. So we had a lot of discussions around different topics, and what I've noticed is when people, and also myself included, are not able to clearly articulate what they mean when they talk about a problem, then it really makes it hard to also create a solution. So for example, we did one exercise where we tried to understand what activities have a vision fit with our life and also that are sustainable. And this we divided then into persons we interact in every day. And here one thing I put on the very top is family. But then I also noticed, okay, when I try to craft a vision statement around my family, I noticed like my family consists of more than one person, and each person has like different needs. And I thought it was just a very interesting insight, but this whole topic around clarity really stood out for me. I've been struggling with this. Sometimes I've been thinking about certain things a lot, and they've been just in my mind. So one action thing I would like to start now is to journal on an everyday basis. The process of writing things down really urges you to think more clearly. And if you think more clearly, there's less assumptions about things, there's less cost of clarifying the information, and also the way you talk is just way more precise, and people, like, you can very quickly get to a very deep level of conversation if it went to a sort of clarity. I hope you liked the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and leave a comment down below. See you next time.